grocery store, at Albertsons or Costco's?
Sometimes it's a grocery store. Sometimes it's like at a food market on a Sunday.
Usually from Costco, and it has to be wild, not farm.
So now we know where people are buying their fish. But where was it actually caught? 90% of seafood consumed in the US is imported from other countries. While some other countries do have sustainable practices, it's hard to know for sure. Buying seafood from local markets increases confidence in sustainability of your food, reduces your carbon footprint while supporting your local economy and building a sense of community with local businesses.